This is a video on how to create your podcast in Blackboard and then save it to your Wix site. So what you need to do first is go to our podcast page, and this should launch in just a second. And then what you want to do is hit new episode, and I'm just going to type your name, and you should type your name in here so it's saved in Blackboard. So just hit new episode, and then as you can see what happens here, the title was saved. I'm going to click on record media, and now what I've got here is just a little record button, and when you're all set up and you've got your transcript ready, just hit record, and what it should be doing is recording my voice right now. So I'm just going to stop this and let it upload my recording to Blackboard. I'm going down to the bottom and hit save and exit. Okay, now if I click this, it should play. Hit record. Okay, and it does. Now what you need to do is get this file off of Blackboard and into your computer and then into your Wix site. So what you do is you right-click on the audio player and hit Save Audio As. And I'm actually not going to save it, but actually I will save it. Let me get to our right course here. Okay, we'll save it here. Okay, so I've now saved it to my computer. Now what you need to do is log into your Wix account, and I'm already logged in, and I'm in the page that I want to be in. Now I'm going to create another podcast page. I've got one here, and what I'll do is go down and hit add page, and then it's going to want me to type the name of the new page here. So what you need to do is click on that little three buttons and hit rename, and I'm going to put podcast 2 since I already have one there, and then done. Okay, so now I should be in podcast 2. Now what you want to do is add an audio player. So you click on add, go down to music, and you can see all these music players. So I'm just going to pick this first one. And what it does is automatically it comes up and it wants to connect your audio file with the player. So I'm going to go here, upload tracks, and what I want to do is go to my our class folder where I've saved my test audio. So now I'm doing that. Now it's uploading it to Wix. Okay, and then it's done. Now you can see it here. I've got all these other podcasts here, but I want to click that one and then add to page. Okay, so what you've got here now is your player that should work. Now remember, underneath you're going to have to add your transcripts, and the way you do that is hit add and then text, and then hit I'm a paragraph. And then when you've got your transcript done, you just copy and paste it there by hitting the edit tab. Now you want to test this out, so you can do it by hitting preview, and let me just see if this works. Hit record. Okay, and it definitely does. And then back to editor, and make sure that you hit publish when you are finished. And that is how you create a podcast in Blackboard and get it up into your Wix.